Tired of manually syncing your Wix customers? You can connect Klaviyo in just a few clicks, no technical skills required. Let's walk through finding the integrations menu, searching for Wix, installing the app, then connecting your account. In just 7 steps, you'll be up and running. Click Integrations to open that section. Then click on Explore Apps to browse through the available integrations. Now type Wix into the search bar to filter things down. Once the results come up, click on Wix from the suggested apps. Before installing, you can watch the YouTube video first to get a feel for it. Click on Install to continue. Finally, click on Connect to Wix. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.